Sunday morning, the 8th, and rushing on our way up to Feal Suspension for the meet and greet. So we're gonna kind of show you guys around Feal and show you what the whole setup is. So we don't know what the turnout's gonna be. We're here early on purpose, but just ahead is Feal Suspension up in Wrightwood, California. Here we are. Got Odie running up over here.
On the trailer right here.
This way?
Yeah, just like the arcs back up a little bit. Put it like right up to there.
Okay, look at that, bump stop and everything.
Full service.
Thank you, sir. Full service, right?
Hey guys, I'm gonna start raffling this stuff off probably in, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. So have your raffles ready. What do we got first, John? What are we? All right, let's do that. All right, so we got NRG JDM mirrors for your car. All right, so we got 3 of these bad boys. Let's just fire them off. All right, mix it up real good, John. Real good. Okay, here we go. First winner is... All right, so 809030.
Not us.
809030. Someone's got it.
Oh, we got a winner!
All right. Cool, thank you. All right, let's do this. The first one we call gets to pick the color of the harness pad. And this fits your street car. This is like a little shoulder pad from NRG. We got black ones, purple ones, and even pink ones. All right, John, pull a number. Eight 9140. 809140. Sweet, we got one. Oh, this guy's got a lot of raffle tickets. He's gonna be back up here. Pick out the color you want. All right, pull one. Eight 809019. 809019. All right, take your color, man.
You in the black one? And the hardware's in the box, okay?
A little more than that.
We heard a lot of disappointment in it. Hell yeah, I'm not going to say the exact word, but here you go.
So you're saying how bad he needs it. Go, bro.
Yeah. This is it, but let me get your contact info so I can make sure it's squared away.
I don't know.
So you were pretty excited. What car are you going to put this in? Oh, perfect. Heck yeah. Awesome. Yeah, let's get your info. And you know what? We're all out of stuff, but let's raffle off 2. I'm going to give away 2 OE edition steering wheels.
You're gonna raffle off some 442s?
So
Maybe you have to win all 4 of them.
Raffle off a car?
So these are the steering wheels that I run in my FD car, my C6. They're awesome. They're Alcantara leather. Let's raffle these off, man. Let's pull 2 more. And this one is serial number 118 of 300 units made.
Winner is 809128. 809128.
809128.
809128.
There you go, man.
Here's the wheel.
That's boss.
Let me double check. Is this it?
Well, I gave them my tickets.
Oh.
I put it in my pocket. 809128.
Cool. And here's the box for you.
Yeah, man, that sounds good.
Oh, yeah.
Excited, dude. All right, so for the other steering wheel.
All right, for the second steering wheel.
I don't know.
We got number.
I was just like, I'm gonna need that.
809146. 809146.
Dude, can I give you some money so you can buy me a lotto ticket today? The luck this person has is insane.
Dude, you bought some tickets today? Congrats, bro. Congrats.
All right, guys. Enjoy.
We have it as a display.
Oh, okay. I can pull it down. Was it? That's okay.
Thank you so much, guys, for coming out, for hanging out, participating in this. I hope to do these again. It's a nice, chill time. So, yeah, hang out, relax. Let's have fun, close out the afternoon. And if you guys are hungry, thank you so much, Clutch Kitchen, for coming out. They came out here blind. That's what I mean. They came out here blind. I had no idea how big of a turnout it's going to be, and these guys were nice enough to mobilize, pack up, bring food out, and set up and do it. A lot of effort. Thank you guys very much. So please help them out. Buy some tacos or at least a drink. Say what's up to them. Very nice of you guys to come out. Thank you, and thank you all for coming out. And hey, we still got a lot of free stuff over here, so please help yourself. Don't be shy to take multiple things of everything. So yeah, thank you for coming out. Let's chat some more and hang out. Thank you.